Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Liouville structure for neon Ne. Correct answer is the Liouville structure for neon Ne consists of a symbol and surrounded by 8 dots representing its 8 valence electrons. Neon is a noble gas located in group 18 of the periodic table, making it highly stable due to its full outer electron shell. This electron configuration follows the octet rule, where atoms tend to gain, lose, or share electrons to achieve a stable configuration of 8 valence electrons. In the case of neon, it achieves stability with a full shell of 8 electrons without the need to form chemical bonds with other atoms. This leads to neon being classified as an inert gas, unreactive, and commonly used in lighting applications. Due to its stability, the Liouville structure visually illustrates the electron distribution around the neon atom and highlights its closed shell electronic configuration, which is a fundamental concept in understanding chemical bonding and reactivity.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.